Yo, what it do? It's me, FitJones 33, tapping in, back with you live from the gym, getting it in.
When it come to my city, I'm here. They ain't going hard in the gym. I'm only gonna play for the win.
It's 1 a.m. Go tell a friend. Like, comment, subscribe. Just want to tap in with y'all real quick, no edits, live from the gym. I just want to keep it a buck with you. This thing called life, it's hard. It's real hard. What you gonna do? Gonna make another excuse? Gonna come up with another lie? Another reason why you can't do what you gotta do? Or you gonna make it happen? Me? Keep it real with you. It ain't easy on my side. Dealing with health problems on the low, dealing with family problems on the low, dealing with career problems on the low, just dealing with life. We all got problems. We all going through it for real. You know what I mean? What you gonna do? Me? I'm gonna make a way. I'm gonna make time for what's important. No matter what time it is, I'm on a mission. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. By all means. You know, and this time in the gym, it's me time. It's me, myself, and I vibing out. Just getting it in. Live from the gym. Let's go. Let's go. Just want to say thank you all who've been tapping in with me, liking up my stuff, commenting. You know, I love engaging with y'all. It means a lot. I fuck with y'all for real. Y'all some of the closest people to me. No cap. So, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Like-minded individuals, they're on the same tip. They just try and make it. Live one day at a time, being their best version. You know, sun don't shine every day, but best believe I'm gonna get out there and make it happen. Rain, sleet, shine, freezing degrees, like it is out here. Best believe I'm making it in that gym. I'm in to win. Yeah, it's all from me, FitJones 33. Man, just tell me how y'all feeling this week, man. What you gonna do? What you been putting off? What you gonna finally make happen this week? Or this month or next month? Or what you gonna? The time is now for real, but what you gonna make happen, man? What's on the agenda? You don't even gotta be fitness. Could be learning a new skill. You know, so any type of growth, feel free to share. But yeah, like I said, it's me, FitJones 33. Catch you on the next one. Peace.